YouTube is deleting channels. Oh, and that is one painful thing that can happen to any YouTuber. Like it is, imagine you have been building your YouTube channel. You know what it takes to get to 1,000 subscribers. You know, right? Now you already have like, let's say 20,000 subscribers, 10,000, 5,000, even 1,000. Your video is already coming up, and then all of a sudden, you can't find your channel. YouTube will delete it. YouTube is deleting channels, and I will give you 4 reasons why they are doing that. YouTube is not for you. You are here to make money, right? So why don't you follow their rules to enable your channel to stand strong? So guys, if you don't want your channel to get deleted, please sit down, relax. Let me give you 4 tips that you should avoid so that your channel will be safe. Do you get? Now, the very first thing I'll be talking about in this video is this. 1, if you get 3 copyright strike in 3 videos, sorry, your channel, you will be looking for it, you won't be able to find it. So avoid copyright strike. When they give you a copyright strike, please take action immediately. Know what to do. If it's for you to delete the video, if it's for you to re-edit it and remove the copyright that is in that video, please do it. And those of you that like using other people's content, I don't know, sometimes I'll just be like, how do people do it? Somebody will suffer and do a video. After filming a video, the next thing you will do, you go and collect the video, and you will not use it as if it's your video, and you will not think the person will not be happy with you. It doesn't work like that. Why don't you take permission from the person before you use the person's video? You need to take permission. YouTube does not like it. Copyrights. If YouTube notice that there are two exact videos on their platform, they will take action, because they want to know who is the real owner of this thing. You get? So, and if you are not the real owner, you are the one that is copying, you want to steal somebody's content, YouTube will notify that person that somebody is using their content, and when they take action, they will give you a strike. The same thing goes for music. You use other people's music and you enjoy using what does not belong to you on your YouTube platform. You will continue getting strike. You get? So I will advise that you use content that are yours. If you want to use content that are not yours, please take permission from the person. Yes, take permission from the person. You understand? And also, if you have gotten 1 copyright strike, please address it. Don't just leave it there. Address it immediately. I hope you get. Now, second thing I will talk about is sub for sub. This sub for sub that you people are doing, you don't know that it can get your channel deleted. A lot of people don't know, but I'm going to explain to you. Now, if YouTube notice that something is happening on your channel, sharp. When I say sharp, you know what I mean. It's not like there's one video that is going viral now, then people are watching the video, and the more they are watching it, the more they are subscribing. Nothing like that. The highest number of views on your channel is 100. It's 100 views, and then before you know it, your subscriber was 50 before. Before you know it, it's now 100 under 1 hour. Then before the next hour, it's now 300. Before the next 5 hours, it's now 800. Before you know it, it's now 1,000. Before you know it, it's 2,000. YouTube will know that you are doing sub for sub. See, they are the owner of the platform. They know. They will know. Especially when none of your video is going viral. None of your, like, your views are just there. Even the one that was 100 views before is now like 103. So where are the subscribers coming from? Where? Please stop doing sub for sub. And that is why some of you will be like, my subscriber is reducing, I don't know what is happening. You don't know. You are supposed to know. You are supposed to know. You should even be grateful that they have not deleted that channel. You should be grateful. Stop doing sub for sub. I beg you. Stop it. Somebody will just come to your channel and the next thing they want to subscribe. It's not like they watch any video, they won't watch any video, nothing. They just want to subscribe and go. And you are happy that your subscriber is increasing. No. That's single act, because when they make their findings and they notice that people are just subscribing, they will know that those subscribers are coming from illegal place, illegal source. So in fact, that your channel, you'll be looking for it, you won't be able to find it. So avoid doing sub for sub. I keep saying it. I will never buy that idea. I will never. Don't do it. Stop it. In case you are doing it, stop it. So the number 3 thing I'll talk about is using using dangerous link. The next thing I'll talk about is using dangerous links on your description. A lot of people are very guilty of this. YouTube does not like anything that looks deceptive, like you are trying to deceive people. They don't like it. You will not put one link on your description box, and you now tell them to go and click on it. And when they click on it, so they are going to a dangerous site. And you not think YouTube will be clapping for you? No. By the time YouTube notice it, sorry, your channel, it will become lost but not found. You will not be able to find it again, because once YouTube delete your channel, the percentage of getting it back is it even possible? So please avoid it. Stop using dangerous links. Stop telling people to go and click on link that you know that is not good. They will click on it and something will not happen. Maybe their YouTube channel will not be at risk, or their email address, or all those stuff. Please avoid it. So the last one I'll be talking about is repeated violation of the community guidelines. Now, YouTube is a platform that has rules and regulations. They have guidelines that you need to follow. If you do not follow these guidelines and you keep breaking it, one day they will just remove your channel. They will just remove it. They will delete it. So you have to follow their community guidelines. So example of what I'm talking about is when you are being abusive. Any video you do, you are abusing somebody, you are insulting somebody, you are raining curses on somebody on your video. You are always using hateful comments. You are always like, nothing good always come out from your channel. Every time I curse, like all those bad words coming from your channel. Or you do video to start harassing people. You start harassing them. That's what your video is always all about. Hey, sorry, YouTube doesn't like it too. You are breaking their community guidelines, and they will come for you. And what will happen when they come for you? They will delete the channel. They will delete the channel. And sometimes when YouTube deletes your channel, do you know what happens? If you create another one, they will also delete it. If you create another one, they also delete it. And sometimes what people now do is somebody else will now create the channel for them, and then they will now start using the channel. They will now start doing videos and posting on that channel. Please avoid getting your channel deleted. Follow their community guidelines. Stop doing sub for sub. Stop sharing dangerous links. Avoid copyright strike as much as you can. Avoid it. Just do your thing jejely. Me, I will advise you, always do your original video, your original content. Look at this video I'm doing now. Nobody will now come tomorrow and now start saying this video belongs to them. Like, how? I did not even use anybody's sound. I'm using my own voice. Everything in this video is mine. So please, in as much as you are trying to grow fast, be careful. Be careful. Sometimes shortcuts no good. Just to do the right thing, follow the right step, and everything will work out for you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, please support me by dropping a comment, like this video, and share.